morning. Look at that. Be safe, ride safe, do all your fun things, live life, be thankful. What's going on, world? I'm not usually crazy. I don't want to be about, you know, this is going to be a quick one. I'm just on my way over to my parents. I'm building my fiance a table, a desk, workstation for her office, and my dad has more tools than I do, so some things have been transitioned over there. Anyway, I gotta go put a coat of some protector on the legs, and it's Thanksgiving morning, you know. I went for putting the clutch for you. Not to make you panic. And I try not to be gushy, you know, but I do like Thanksgiving, and I like it. I like that it's just a low-key holiday. It's very simple, at least what it is today, what its intention is, you know, just be thankful for what you got, who you got, all those things. So while this isn't going up on Thanksgiving, I would say any time of day, take a moment to, you know, craft fair. People packing up to go out for Thanksgiving. If you don't got no family nearby, Friendsgiving, you know, it's important. We're doing a Friendsgiving as well, actually. Saturday night. And I don't like when people say, you know, well, I don't think that you necessarily need to do like the around the table, what are you thankful for thing. But on the subject of that, if people say like, oh, you can't say your family, well, why? Why not? I am thankful for my family. Or like, you know, no cliches, what am I thankful for? I mean, why not? Why can't I? Anyway, those are the most important things, you know? Beautiful morning, dude. It's like 42, and I said, you know what? I was gonna drive the truck over because it's been cold. I haven't been on the bike that much, dude. I need to get back out there. Gotta get out there. It's a nice little cupola. I wonder if they do grapes or olives for olive oil. I know people do that too. That's something that would be cool. Grow your own like olives. Get an olive tree. Roads are a little damp. All right, we're gonna go two-handed again. The morning after the biggest drinking night of the year, they say, the Wednesday before Thanksgiving. I don't know why that is. I guess it's all the college kids are home and nobody is working the next day, so. But it's a weeknight. It's like you think like, it's not, I don't know, people work Christmas Eve, so I wouldn't say the night before like Christmas Eve. I feel like there are some people that work Christmas Eve. I work holidays. If I'm scheduled to work a holiday, I work a holiday. But that's just my job. So. And then this view. Look at this. Look, this guy's got to stop and take a view. Take in the view. I love it. Woo! I'm getting dumb. Or am I? I don't know. Leave me alone. Don't judge me. I don't care if you judge me. Solo cup. Beautiful morning. Look at that. Well, world, thanks for watching this one, dude. This was a good one. I think. I enjoyed it. I'm enjoying myself right now. So, be safe, ride safe, do all your fun things, live life, be thankful.